My voice isn't what it used to be. This is a Sears automobile, y'all. It's a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine delivering 130 horsepower at 5,800 RPMs. Uses more oil than gas, unfortunately. The dash is equipped with a digital display. This is a high-performance machine. $240,000 plus miles, y'all, and this car's still running. CD and stereo. Unfortunately, the CD doesn't work. There's no driver's side rearview mirror. The car smells. I didn't say it smelled bad, I just said it smells. There's no cigarette lighter. You'll have to buy one of them. The socket is completely dead. A secondary response system, smooth hanging. It has a functioning air conditioner. I said a functioning air conditioner. The car doesn't have a spare, just various tools and trinkets in the trunk back there. Beautiful rims. All tires need replacing. It's an extremely fuel-efficient vehicle. All carpet interior. There's some sticky goop stuck to the rear seats. I think it's bubble gum. No major accidents, just a few bumps and bruises. You know, I find this car very attractive. The asking price, only $3,000, but James is willing to negotiate for much less. Please contact via email james@james-compton.com.